Hey, what is going on, everybody? This is Billy Joseph, aka the New Generation Marketer, guys, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And today we are talking about Instagram, how to use Instagram to build your business. And I have to admit, out of social media, Facebook is cool. Instagram, has a special place in my heart, but because I personally, and others may disagree, but I personally think that it's one of the best places for those that are entrepreneurs, those that are business builders, as a social media platform to build a business. So I want to get into that a little bit here, and also to after I do that, I want to kind of tell you about a little bit of training here for that. So as always, guys, I want to remind you guys that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, at the very right there, click that little bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I do put out. Now, let's get into it. So, Instagram, using Instagram to build your business, whether it be affiliate marketing, network marketing, internet marketing, direct sales, whatever kind of business you're building, I personally think that Instagram is so cool for businesses. So here I am at my Instagram page, and as you can see here at my Instagram page, see my little smiling face there to your left. Also, you see, I've probably done about 1,600 posts over the years. I got like almost 5,000 followers, and I'm following about 7,500 people. What I like about Instagram is that you can kind of put your little snippet, your little thing about you to let others see kind of like who you are. So as you can see on my Instagram page, I have here, it says my name, follow me for inspiration, home business tips, fitness motivation, and humor, just to kind of give people that follow me an idea of what they're going to see on my page. What they're going to see on my page, inspiration. I'm going to post positive things to really inspire people, to make them think bigger. Also, I'm going to be, sharing home business tips and trainings. So things about home business and tips and trainings you're going to see on there. You're going to see fitness motivation, and you're going to see a sense of humor. Also, what I like about here is that after you tell people about yourself on Instagram, you have the option to you can actually leave a link, and this is actually a link to a training on MLM from the famous Ray Higdon. If you know Ray Higdon, if you follow network marketing, he's one of the probably the best MLM trainers. But that's an opportunity for someone to see whatever business or opportunity that you're promoting. And again, you want to just leave it here. You want to not do it like a spammy type of thing, but you just want to give some type of value. So in that bio box, this is a bio box here. Make sure you just if you want to leave something like that and point to that, so when they want to find out more about it, they'll click it. They can become a lead if you have a lead capture page, or find out more about your business. So I'm just going to just kind of go over my Instagram pages to see how I set it up. And by no means I'm not an Instagram expert, but I do get followers, I do get leads, I do get engagement from people on my posts, which is pretty cool. When I do post Instagram stuff. And again, people, this helps to really build that know, like, and that trust factor for you, when you build your business. So if you scroll down and just kind of give you how my page is set up, if you see here, I'm always just posting just inspiration stuff. Like say, you see stuff on inspiration, just stuff that even I'm reading and different events. I was at Live the Dream in Austin, Texas. So you see all of this stuff. You see a funny video of me and my grandmother. I'm laughing already. Of me and my grandmother out having a meal. You know what? I want to pause a little second because I love to laugh and I love humor, even in your business. So I want to play this quick video. This is me and my grandmother. If you laugh at it, great. If you don't think it's funny, still laugh at it. But here we go. So here we go. We're going to have our singing contest. Help yourself. Let's start it off, okay? Help yourself. All right, here we go. And be Your turn, come on. Okay, you got. Okay, you won now. Okay, thank you for looking at that. It's just something funny. I always love it. I always reminded of my grandmother, who's a lot of fun. So, as you can come, just look at my Instagram page. As you can see, I just, when you're doing your Instagram page, I think you want people just to see life. You know, some people go on the Instagram page, you'll find that they have a lot of quotes, just quotes posted on there, and that's good. But if you're building it for business, people are going to want to see you. They're going to see, your life interaction. Yes, they're going to want to see the inspirational stuff, but they want to see your life because you want people to know you, to like you, and to trust you. And they're going to want to see more than business. See, I'm on YouTube as well, so you see that. You see me from the event. You see me and my wife at the event. So I like to use Instagram for humor. Me and my wife here, and me on a webinar, and just different things, just showing that look, I'm not only about business, but I am a real person. And I think that is the best way to use Instagram, to let people see your life, to see your family, to see that yes, I am a real person, and I am a business person. Just one, and as you can see, I do post business stuff on here. I'm showing here. Okay, yeah, me being congratulated for going up a rank in Super Affiliate Network. Me and my wife out at one of our favorite restaurants here in Jacksonville. Me as a little kid. So just showing your life, makes people want to get to know about, more about you. People will follow you when they see that you have a great Instagram page. And this is really what you want to do on not just Instagram, but even on social media. It's me and my wife at a Jaguars game here in Jacksonville. So at the Jacksonville Stadium, me getting my walk on. And so just to have a page that's really engaging, and just me doing funny stuff here, me working out. So that's how I use Instagram. I think it'll be a great opportunity for you, if you're not using Instagram, to set up an account and just start sharing your life, start sharing just things in your life, start sharing just things that can get people connected to you to help you grow in your business. So that's a quick training for me. Like I said, guys, I'm not really an expert. This is a funny picture. I'm not really an expert on Instagram, but you know what? It's really great as far as building your brand and helping you to grow your business and let people see you online, your real life, but also your business, and let you inspire them. So that is a quick training I want to give you. Also, guys, I wanted to give you more in-depth training this Wednesday. The guys and gals over at MLSP are having a special training with some of their top affiliates. Todd and Leah Getz. These guys are just some of the top affiliates at MLSP, and they probably know a whole lot more on Instagram training than I do. So I will leave a link at the bottom for that training. Guys, take advantage of that training. It is this Wednesday coming. And I'll leave a link at the bottom. All right, guys, this is Billy Josie, a.k.a. the New Generation Marketer. Talk to you guys soon on the next video. Peace.